Benvenuti. Welcome to Language with Sara. I'm your Italian teacher Sara, and in today's lesson we'll learn about the 10 phrases of Italian. I'll post every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. If you are a beginner to Italian, then you will love this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. Now let's begin. Our first phrase is Ho bisogno di aiuto. Ho bisogno di aiuto. I need help. Ho bisogno. I need di aiuto. Help. I need help. Next one is Mi piacerebbe andare al cinema. Mi piacerebbe. I would like andare to go al cinema. The cinema. I would like to go to the cinema. Mi piacerebbe andare al cinema. Repeat after me if you want. Mi piacerebbe andare al cinema. Cinema in Italian is cinema. Next one is Mi piace leggere. Mi piace means in English I like. Leggere, reading. Leggere, reading. Mi piace leggere. I like reading. Next one is Non ho tempo. Non ho tempo. I don't have time. Non ho. I don't. Tempo. I don't have time. Tempo means in English time, and non means in English I don't. I don't have time. Next one is Mi scusi. Mi scusi. Excuse me. If you're a beginner or new viewer to my channel, then please remember this word today. Mi scusi. Excuse me. Dove la stazione? Dove la stazione? Where is the train station? Excuse me, where is the train station? Next one is Mi sono perso. Perso for the male and persa for the woman or girl. Mi sono perso. I'm lost. If you're a girl or a woman, you can say like this. Mi sono persa. Next one is Che bello vedere te. Che bello vedere te. It's nice to see you. Vedere, see, te, you. Che bello, it's nice. Che bello, bello means in English nice, and vedere means see. Te means you. It's nice to see you. Next one is Mi fa male la testa. Mi fa male la testa. I have a headache. I have a headache. Please don't skip the video and stay tuned with me till the last. Next one is Mi fa male la testa. I have la testa, headache. Male la testa, headache. Mi fa male la testa. Testa means in English head. Mi sono divertito molto. Divertito molto. I had a lot of fun. If you are a girl or woman, you can say like this. Mi sono divertita molto. I had a lot of fun. Divertito for the masculine one, divertita for the feminine one. Next one is Non ho capito la domanda. Non ho capito la domanda. I didn't understand the question. Domanda means in English question. Capito, understand. Non ho, I don't, I didn't. Non ho, I didn't. Capito, understand. La, da, domanda, question. Domanda, question. Remember this. Domanda means in English question, and capito, understand. Non ho capito la domanda. Repeat after me if you want. Non ho capito la domanda. Thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto.